What's up, everyone? Optic Hobby, 2-box. Pick your color number 26. Thank you for the kill, Ricardo. King Bear, good luck. Skeet, thank you for the push. Kitson, thank you for the push. Wow. All of these packs are like backwards. That was weird. After this, guys, I'll give Optic Mega Football a little bit of time. I gotta add in the Optic Hobby Color 27 and 20, or sorry, 28, 29, I think. Can add that in, no problem. Good luck. Giddy up. Orange of Vucevic. LeBron 75th. There's another Jalen Johnson. So, Ricardo, all of this will go to you. All of those base. This will not. This doesn't ship. But you'll get this. You'll get the Wiggins. There's McBride on the hollow. You'll get the Primo. You'll get this Magic Johnson, Isaiah Thomas. Scotty Barnes. You'll get the Scotty Barnes. You'll get the Bradley Beal. Cade, you get the Cade. Nice. Derek White on the lime before he went hairless. JT Thor. Dragic. We're seeing the same colors and people. 10.99. It's a nice one. Cam Thomas for the base auto spot. Skeet is on the board. Cameron Thomas. And a blue second year of LaMelo Ball. Also for King Bear. The typicals, the LeBrons, all like that. Typicals. All right. Box 2, good luck. Scotty Barnes, blue of Van Fleet. Another Jalen Johnson, 4 boxes, 4 Jalen Johnsons. Steph and Beal on the hollow. Orange of Trade for the Hawks. We have a rated rookie auto. Good luck. For the Thunder. Giddy. Oh, Trey Mann. Either going to be a base or a hollow here. Base auto of Trey Mann. For the Thunder. Still no colored autos or anything like that. That's crazy. Our last stack. Oh, we have a Photon. Griffin. Okoro Io. Quentin Grimes. Chris Paul. Another Cade. Wow. King Bear, you did really good on the kill. Really good. Hollow of James Bouknight. And we have... Oh. It is not a Photon. It is a fake Photon. It's a pink velocity that goes to the pink velocity spot of DeRozan. He wasn't Eric. Oh, wait. Never mind. We do have a Photon. I thought I was tripping. Okay, we do have a... Oh, it is a rookie Photon for the Spurs. It is the Flasher. It's Joshua Primo. And a hollow non of Neemias Queta. Yeah. The Eric DeRozans. It was funny because I seen this color, and then when I pulled the DeRozan, I was like, oh, was I seeing pink? This is a pink velocity. The DeRozans all have the Photon backgrounds. That was an error for this year's Optic. Oh, really? Yeah, so his base cards also has a Photon finish on the background. So no matter what color you hit of him, it's going to be that color plus the Photon background. It's kind of funny. Well, actually, I don't know if his base. Yeah, his base does. Yeah, every single color has a fake photon finish. But this is a pink velocity. That is number to 79. That is a pink velocity. Not a photon. This is the photons. Drayman, Cam Thomas. Optic Hobby, 26 color break, guys. Take your 27s. I'll add in number 28 and 29. Thank you, guys.